Hidden inside your body right now is a microscopic army of cellular janitors working tirelessly to repair damage, burn fat, and literally eat cancer cells before they can harm you. This isn't science fiction. It's a revolutionary discovery that won 5 Japanese scientists the Nobel Prize and completely changed how we understand human health. Yet 99% of people have no idea this system even exists, let alone how to activate it. The most shocking part is you've been accidentally sabotaging this incredible healing mechanism every single day through simple habits that seem completely harmless. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi's groundbreaking research revealed that when you unlock this process called autophagy, your body becomes a self-repairing machine that can reverse aging, melt stubborn fat, and build an almost impenetrable defense against disease. But here's the catch. There's a specific window of time each day when this cellular cleanup crew either springs into action or goes completely dormant. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the exact daily protocol these 5 legendary Japanese scientists use to activate this hidden superpower, including the one simple morning habit that Dr. Shinya credits for helping Japanese leaders live decades longer than the global average. But first, you need to understand why everything you think you know about staying healthy might be completely backwards. Autophagy is your body's natural way of renewing itself. It's a built-in cleaning process that keeps cells clean and working well. Think of it as your body's way of doing maintenance on itself. It breaks down and gets rid of old parts, making room for stronger, healthier cells. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist, discovered that autophagy speeds up a lot when you don't eat or are under a lot of physical stress. This process helps your body heal itself, helps you keep a healthy weight, and lowers your chance of getting diseases like cancer. Dr. Osumi said in his Nobel speech that autophagy is the only thing that keeps cells alive. This makes it very important for keeping the body in balance, having enough energy, and being strong overall. Dr. Osumi believes that science makes progress when people work together and share what they know. After his groundbreaking discoveries, several scientists have expanded their study into the practical applications of autophagy. People now commonly accept this process since it is linked to aging, protecting against cancer, cognitive diseases, and how the immune system works. The basic point is clear. Taking care of your body's natural detox system, whether at the cellular level or via lifestyle choices, is still important for long-term health. But how can we make autophagy happen in our daily lives and use its benefits? The solution is easier than you would think. Here are 3 Japanese ideas on how to live a long life that are backed by top Japanese academics. They center on diet and everyday practices. The information in this video is for educational purposes only, compiled from open sources, and does not substitute medical advice. Please consult your doctor for any health-related concerns. Tip number 1, practicing hara-hachi-bu surely helps control food intake by stopping at 80% fullness. Moreover, this Japanese eating principle prevents overeating and supports better digestion naturally. Basically, the second lifestyle recommendation is adopting the traditional Japanese practice of hara-hachi-bu, which means stopping eating when you feel 80% full. This is the same as not eating until you are completely full. This principle surely comes from Okinawan culture. Moreover, longevity research has supported this idea. We are seeing that this method helps people eat mindfully and reduce calories without missing important nutrients. It only allows the body to start its natural cell cleaning process called autophagy. Basically, eating fewer calories and taking longer breaks from food at night reduces stress on your metabolism and gives your body the same extra time it needs for natural repair. We are seeing that people in Okinawa follow this method without knowing it. This place is famous only because many people there live for more than 100 years. We are seeing that they eat only light meals in the evening and avoid late-night food, which creates long fasting periods overnight that help the body's cleaning process. We are seeing that doctors only need proper medical training to treat patients effectively. Shigeaki Hinohara was actually one of Japan's most respected doctors, who definitely focused on helping people live longer lives. He actually followed this approach throughout his entire career. Basically, he kept working until he was 105 years old because he believed that staying busy and never fully retiring keeps your mind and body young the same way. Further, his diet approach was simple: eat light meals, avoid extra sugar and processed foods, and follow Hara Hachibu by eating only until 80% full. This method itself prevented weight gain and further promoted long life. As per Hinohara's beliefs, people should stay active by using stairs instead of lifts and walking regularly. This approach helps in maintaining good health and energy levels. Basically, he believed medical care was important but warned against depending too much on doctors, saying people should focus on prevention and take personal responsibility for their health the same way they handle other life matters. He actually stressed that people should definitely keep learning and stay curious about life. He said that finding joy and embracing life's good moments was actually the best way to deal with pain and problems. We are seeing that Hinohara's wisdom comes from his deep understanding of human nature only. His insights about life and relationships show remarkable depth that we are finding in very few people. Second tip: intermittent fasting is one of the best ways to start autophagy. It's a practice that has been a part of Japanese culture for generations. But what is intermittent fasting? In short, it means setting aside a time each day when you don't eat, which lets your body switch from digesting food to repairing cells. A lot of Japanese researchers are inspired by Dr. Yoshinori Osumi's work and say that people should fast for 12 to 16 hours a day, which is in line with how older generations in Japan naturally eat. Many Japanese elders skip meals or wait longer between dinner and breakfast without even realizing it, which helps their body's natural cleansing and renewal processes. Dr. Takayuki Teruya is one of the top scientists in this area. He is a Japanese researcher who studies how fasting affects metabolism. His study shows that fasting isn't only about losing weight. It also speeds up metabolism, increases the creation of antioxidants, and may even slow down aging. Dr. Teruya's study on metabolic activity during fasting has 3 main points. Dr. Teruya's research indicates that fasting activates many metabolic pathways, resulting in heightened synthesis of compounds that contribute to energy generation and antioxidant defense. This indicates that fasting may revitalize metabolic systems and enhance overall health via antioxidant production. His research reveals that fasting increases antioxidant levels, which help neutralize damaging free radicals in the body. This improvement of the body's natural antioxidant capacity may aid in the prevention of illnesses associated with oxidative stress, possible anti-aging effects by starting certain metabolic processes. Fasting may help lessen some of the consequences of aging. Dr. Teruya's research shows that the changes in metabolism that happen when you fast might help cells heal themselves and live longer. Dr. Teruya strongly believes in the health benefits of fasting, saying that it can boost metabolism, strengthen antioxidant defenses, and even extend life. So, if you want to improve your health in a simple way that is backed by science, think about adding intermittent fasting to your daily routine. Tip number 3, nutrition. What foods should we consume to maximize autophagy activation? The foods we choose have a significant impact on supporting this vital cellular process. Dr. Yumi Ishihara, who serves as the personal physician to Japan's Prime Minister and directs the Ishihara Clinic in Tokyo, promotes modified fasting as an effective health strategy. His daily routine consists of a liquid morning meal featuring fresh carrot or apple juice, replacing lunch with black tea containing black sugar and ginger, and eating just one substantial meal each day. This method establishes extended fasting periods that naturally promote cellular renewal and autophagy activation. Dr. Ishihara frequently points out that modern humans consume excessive amounts of food. He stresses the value of following principles like Hara Hachibu, eating until you reach 80% fullness, to support longevity and avoid overindulgence. Dr. Ishihara's liquid morning routine using fresh carrot or apple juice serves as an ideal way to end a fast. These beverages contain vital nutrients that aid digestion and recovery. Carrot juice, abundant in beta-carotene and vitamin A, promotes skin and eye wellness while supporting liver cleansing and providing an alkalizing effect on the stomach. Apple juice, loaded with antioxidants such as quercetin, helps restore electrolyte balance and promotes overall wellness through its natural pectin content. These juices treat the digestive system gently while delivering rapid nutrition without straining your body. To prevent blood sugar fluctuations, start by consuming a small portion, roughly half a glass. Then wait 10 to 20 minutes before having solid food. Adding a small portion of nuts or a teaspoon of olive oil alongside your juice can help moderate sugar absorption and maintain steady energy levels. Black tea combined with black sugar and ginger represents another excellent beverage for supporting autophagy. This blend offers warmth, nutrition, and numerous health advantages. Black tea contains abundant antioxidants that benefit cardiovascular health and metabolic function, while black sugar, muscovado, serves as a natural substitute for processed sugar, supplying minerals including iron, calcium, and potassium. Ginger contributes potent anti-inflammatory qualities, supports digestion, enhances circulation, and strengthens immune function. This beverage provides gentle energy before fasting periods and works effectively after fasting to support digestion and restore depleted minerals. Following guidance from nutrition experts, it's crucial to reduce daily solid meals to ideally 1 or 2 servings. The focus should center on plant-based whole food nutrition, a traditional Japanese eating pattern featuring vegetables, seaweed, fermented products, fish, and legumes such as soybeans, natto, and miso, paired with whole grains like brown rice and barley, supplies essential nutrients your body requires to flourish while promoting autophagy. As per a Japanese-American doctor's recommendation regarding digestive health, people should eat more enzymes, fresh fruits, and vegetables, and less meat. This diet keeps the gut healthy and reduces stress on the body. His Shinya method actually promotes a plant-based diet that definitely works with the body's natural cleaning process. This approach actually makes digestion better and definitely reduces inflammation throughout the body. Dr. Hiromi Shinya also believed that fasting itself should be practiced regularly in life. He was further convinced that this practice was necessary for everyone. He created the Shinya mini fast, where we are seeing a 16-hour period with only no meals. During this time, we are seeing that people are eating their dinner early and only having breakfast late the next morning. Basically, this approach helps your stomach and intestines heal faster and speeds up the body's natural cleaning process, which is the same as autophagy working better. Also, the doctor basically said that staying hydrated is the same as keeping your metabolism and health working properly. He surely mentioned that drinking a few glasses of pure water early in the morning before eating anything helps the body's natural cleaning processes. Moreover, this simple practice supports the body in removing waste materials effectively. Green tea contains catechin compounds that fight cell damage and may further support the autophagy process itself. This makes it a beneficial drink for daily consumption. As per these researchers, we must remove processed meals and excess sugar from our diet. All experts are agreeing regarding this important matter. Basically, when you eat too much refined sugar and white wheat, your insulin goes up and stops the same autophagy process in your body. Further, factory-made meats and artificial chemicals are actually bad for health and definitely mess with metabolism. So avoiding them is a good idea. We are seeing that when we follow these steps, eating only whole plant foods, limiting sugar and processed items, and eating only at specific times, autophagy will start and our body will repair itself naturally.